Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Here's a very simple recipe to prepare a spinach raita. Heat a pan with a tablespoon of oil. Add in a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds. Add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic and saute for a few seconds. Throw in 200 grams of chopped spinach. Season with some salt. Pour in 5 centiliters of water. Cover and let it cook 10 minutes or until the spinach is well cooked. Set aside in a bowl to cool completely. Add 400 grams of Greek yogurt to the spinach. Mix well. Sprinkle the raita with crushed roasted cumin seeds and chopped coriander leaves. Chill in the fridge for half an hour before serving. Enjoy your meal.